Welcome to another exciting math problem regarding number theory. Here is the problem. X to the power of x plus y equals y to the power of 12 and y to the power of x plus y equals x power 3. How many integer solutions can you find?
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
So first of all, it is obviously xy equals 1 and 1 and 1 and negative 1 are solution. When x equals to y, when x equals to 1 and y equals to 1, it satisfies the equation. When x equals to 1 and y equals to negative 1, both equals to 1. Likewise for equation 2. Note that y is not equals to 0. Otherwise, from equation 1, will give x power x equals 0, which has no solution. That's why y is not equals to 0. So from equation 1, we know that x equals y to the power of 12 over x plus y. And from equation 2, we will know that x equals y to the power of x plus y over 3. And based on this, we will know that y to the power of 12 over x plus y equals y to the power of x plus y over 3. In this case, we exclude y equals to plus minus 1. So if y is not equal to plus minus 1, meaning that 12 over x plus y has to be equal to x plus y over 3, meaning that x plus y squared equals 3 times 12, that is 36. And so x plus y equals to plus minus 6. So if y not equal to plus minus 1, we know that x plus y has to be equal to plus or minus 6. Let me write this here. So if x plus y equals to 6, then from 1 now, x to the power of 6 equals to y squared. And therefore, x equals to y squared. From 3, x plus y equals to 6, and x equals to y squared. So y squared plus y equals to 6. Y squared plus y minus 6 equals 0. Solve the equation. Y plus 3, y minus 2 equals 0. And y equals to negative 3 or y equals to 2. And because x equals to y squared, that's why we have the corresponding value. When y equals to negative 3, x equals to 9. And when y equals to 2, x equals to 4. Let's do a check. So from 1, x equals to 9, x plus y equals to 6. Y equals to negative 3, y power 12 equals to this, and therefore this equals to negative 3 squared power of 6, which is equal to 9 power 6. It satisfies the first equation. And for second equation, y equals to negative 3 to the power of 6, and here x equals to 9 to the power of 3. So it again satisfies the equation. And you can check that xy equals to 4 to also satisfy the equation. And therefore in this case, we know that 9, negative 3 and 4, 2 are solution. Then if x plus y equals negative 6, then from 1, x to the power of negative 6 equals y to the power of 12. And therefore, x to the power of negative 1 equals y squared. So this means that 1 over x equals to y squared. And x equals 1 over y squared. From 3, x plus y equals negative 6. X equals to 1 over y squared plus y equals negative 6. And so 1 plus y power 3 equals to negative 6y squared. And therefore y power 3 plus 6y squared plus 1 equals to 0. And see, we are looking at the integer solution. And the leading coefficient is 1, constant is 1. We should only consider y equals 1 or negative 1. And obviously, none of the value of y equals 1 or negative 1 satisfy this equation. So in this case, there's no integer solution. And therefore, we have a total of 4 solutions, that is 1, 1, 1, negative 1, 9, negative 3, and 4, 2. These are all solutions that we have. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.